Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you a way to fix a mouse not responding on Valorant. And I think this was Valorant patch 2.09 mouse issue. And after this patch right here, 2.09, there are a lot of people, actually even myself included, had experienced this one. Because who doesn't like playing Valorant, right? For example, suddenly while you're playing mid-game, your mouse not responding and doesn't move, especially that's bad if you're playing an FPS game like Valorant. So again, this is Valorant. I just want to show you guys. I'm not going to run it. I just want to show you guys, okay? So I have one option here. First things foremost, we need to run Valorant in administrator mode. So how to do that? Just go to the Valorant shortcut you have, right click. Again, let me just right click right there. As you can see here, run as administrator. If you click on this one, it will ask you again if you really want to run it as admin. Just simply click yes. That's one option, right? Now, second option is going to be update mouse drivers in device manager. How to do that? Just type on your search bar right there, device manager. Open up right there, and then as you can see here, it's saying mouse or mice or other and other pointing devices. So from here, make sure just right click, update driver right there, search on compatibility drivers, and it's going to get the best drivers for your device already installed. Do it again for the next one. Now make sure we have the best mice or mouse available, which for our PC, okay? Next one is gonna be actually a pretty simple one. Once you start Valorant, for example, this one, right? Once you click on this one, the moment you run it, the moment your screen turns red, I think, for the loading screen, keep your mouse moving. Never make it on idle. Don't ever stop moving it until you're on the loading screen, until you're selecting your agent, okay? That's pretty manually. Now, again, if it's still not working, this is the last and final option. I suggest reinstalling Valorant. How to do so? Just type in control panel right there. As you can see there, it says uninstall program. From here, just search Valorant. Now, a simple way to do it, just click on anything here and type letter V on your keyboard. And as you can see there, Valorant's right there. Click on right click and click on uninstall. And that should do it. Just reinstall Valorant, and I hope that fixed your problem. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.